How can we solve the problem of legacy pollution? Imagine walking through a park and seeing a pond filled with murky water, or soil that looks strange and smells bad. These are signs of legacy pollution, which is contamination left behind from old factories, farms, or chemical use. These pollutants do not go away easily and can stay in the environment for decades. They can build up in animals and plants, and even harm people who live nearby. Common examples include substances like lead, mercury, polychlorinated biphenyls, dioxins, and banned pesticides like DDT. These chemicals are toxic even in tiny amounts and can cause health problems and damage ecosystems long after their use has stopped. To fix this, we need to take several steps. First, we have to find and understand where the pollution is. This involves testing soil, water, and sediments at suspected sites. These sites are called brownfields or Superfund sites. Once we know what pollutants are there and how much, we can decide what to do next. Sometimes, the best option is to contain the pollution. This means capping contaminated soil with a layer of clean material or installing barriers to prevent pollutants from spreading through groundwater. Limiting access to these areas also helps reduce exposure to humans and animals. Next, we use cleanup methods tailored to each site. Physical removal involves excavating contaminated soil or dredging polluted sediments from water bodies. Chemical treatments can break down or neutralize toxic substances. Bioremediation uses microorganisms or plants to absorb or degrade pollutants naturally. For example, certain plants can pull heavy metals from soil, a process called phytoremediation. These methods can take years and cost thousands to millions of dollars, depending on the size and severity of contamination. Monitoring is essential even after cleanup. Because some pollutants are very persistent, they can re-enter the environment if sediments are disturbed or if storms wash contaminants into water bodies. Regular testing and land use controls help prevent recontamination. Strong policies and laws are also needed. Governments can ban harmful chemicals, fund cleanup projects, and hold polluters responsible for their actions. Recent investments in infrastructure aim to support large-scale cleanup efforts and protect public health. Community involvement is also key. When local residents are informed and participate in decision-making, cleanup projects tend to succeed better. Educating people about the risks and safety measures helps reduce exposure to remaining pollutants. Restoring ecosystems by removing legacy pollution improves water quality, supports wildlife, and makes land safe for future use. Addressing legacy pollution is a long-term process, but it is vital for a healthier environment and safer communities. Scientific knowledge about how chemicals move and affect living things guides these efforts. By combining science, policy, and community action, we can gradually remove these harmful remnants from our environment and create a sustainable future.